Wedding Vows as a brand has always been invested in storytelling that puts weddings at the center of culture. Keeping in line with the brand's innovation and creativity, we have come up with the concept of My Wedding Vows, which is a uber luxurious service meant for couples who are tying the knot. Wedding Vows has decided to open up its doors to those getting married and allow them to be a part of the luxurious fashion photo shoots, which we have become such experts at.
My Wedding Vows service begins with a high-end, glamorous fashion photo shoot, which is done with ace fashion photographers, leading makeup artists and the hairstylist also, and the top costume stylist.
I've been shooting with Wedding Vows for a couple of years now, and it's been a lovely magazine where they've been highlighting various facts about wedding and the way you go about a wedding. And I've learned quite a bit from the magazine looking at it in terms of styling, in terms of photography, in terms of decorations, in terms of a lot of things associated with wedding. There are a lot of people who want to get themselves photographed, and I feel it's everyone's dream to come true that you need to get a lovely photo shoot done during the wedding or just after the wedding.
My Wedding Vows. This concept for which we shot today was really amazing, and I think it's a concept where real couples coming together. So what we're trying to do is how maybe they dreamt they want to look. We as professionals also get a chance to be a part of their joy.
Treated like celebrities, beautiful clothes, beautiful treatments from head to toe.
It's like something very memorable for them, and then maybe 20 years later also when they look at the photos, they're like really memorable and they're not cringe-worthy.
We've been working with Wedding Vows for more than 3 years now, and we're very happy to hear of the new product, My Wedding Vows. I think anything to do with Indian weddings is exciting. Most people look their best just before the wedding, so it's really nice that this service comes from Wedding Vows, where you get to look your glamorous best, you get to look like a supermodel couple.
We had an amazing crew for our My Wedding Vows photo shoot. We had a stylist, we had a makeup artist, we had a hairstylist, and I think it's because of them that every shot that we did turned out so glamorous.
This personalized magazine can then be used for private circulation, which could either go as a wedding invite or as a wedding giveaway gift, or also as a post-wedding gift.
They just did a wonderful job.